Hi everybody, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna review the April 2021 bargain bead box. Okay, so let's open it. Comes wrapped in tissue paper, really wrapped. Oh, all right. This month's theme is Vintage Violet, and if you are subscribed to the box, you'll receive a 30% off coupon code to their sister store, beadboxbargains.com. It's a great website. They also have a creation contest. You can show what you made with this shipment and be entered to win a $25 gift certificate to that sister site. To enter, go to facebook.com/bargainbeadbox, and then on the back is a shipment identification key. And let's go. Number 1, 23 by 35 millimeter chandelier focal. It'll be this. I love the antique bronze findings, so I'm glad we got that, especially with this, the purples and violets. It looks really nice. Number 2, 40 millimeter floral patterned coin pendant. I think we got these in silver before. It'd be nice on bead embroidery. Okay. Number 3 is approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter quartz round beads, lilac. It's a beautiful color. Almost, but not quite, like the kunzite beads. Here on my bracelet. Number 4, 1 meter of 5 by 3 millimeter steel oval jewelry chain. Alright, and that would be this. And they give us a meter, which is plenty. Way better than a foot. It's a nice size. Okay, then we have number 5, which is 3 sets of 21 millimeter brass oval box clasps, antique bronze finish. Huh, what? Box clasps. Let's see, let's check these out. Oh, wow. Yes. Let's see. It looks like a, I don't know, like a shell. And I'm trying to see how it fits in. I don't know. What's it do? Just slide? Because here's the hook for the one side of the piece. I guess you can make it longer or shorter too, because it's got, maybe not. Yeah, it's got 3 different compartments. Well, I'll fiddle with this and figure it out later. But there's three sets there of clasps. Alright, then we have number 6. 4 pieces, 22 by 19 millimeter swirled blank chandelier. Okay. Then we have number 7. 10 pieces, 14 millimeter. Filigree medallion findings. I love filigree. Let's see. One-sided. These would be perfect for bead embroidery. Really good for it. Really pretty. I like those. Okay, then we have number 8, 10 grams, 6 by 5 millimeter, round spacer beads. These are always nice to have in our stash. They're nice, they got some nice weight to them. Pretty. Okay, number 9 is jump rings. 5 grams of 20 gauge, 6 millimeter jump rings. Number 10, 16-inch strand, 3 by 2 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, vintage mix. Love the 3 by 2 millimeter rondelles. And really, even though it is a vintage mix, I'm glad they all go well together. They've pretty much all got a purple tone to them. I see some like white opals also. It's a very nice mix of crystal rondelles, and they got a lot of sparkle. All right. Number 11 is 30 millimeter purple quartz donut pendant. Yes. I love these donuts. Look at that beautiful color. Boy, it's looking a little darker on my viewfinder, but that's gorgeous. It's like a magenta purplish, a deep grape jelly kind of, but brighter, if that makes sense. I love that. I love that a lot. Gorgeous. All right, number 12. Approximately 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter shell pearl beads, violet. It says man-made because they're made out of, well, shell pearls are normally made out of shells, and they're still natural. They're nice and heavy. It's really popular in the UK. Shell pearls are. They really do. Shell pearls are really good, copy or decoy pearl. I mean, they're convincing. They're beautiful, gorgeous. All right, number 13. 2 pieces, 33 by 30 millimeter, bumpy floral medallion pendant. Okay. Those are pretty. And those, you know, I'm thinking bead embroidery, cut that loop off. That'd make a great centerpiece or side for a bracelet, big bracelet. So they're both floral. Number 14. 14-inch strand, approximately 6 by 6 to 8 millimeter freshwater rice pearls. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. These are expensive to buy. It's a nice long strand, basically 2 strands. If you were to buy them, you know, at your local bead store. And I haven't really seen any that look this good there. Really got a lot of luster. Iridescence. These are gorgeous. I'm excited about these. So there's 1, 2 strands of gemstones. These, I really, shells are natural too, so I could really consider those, you know, a gemstone personally. So that's why I love this box. We get usually at least 2 strands of gemstones, and then gemstone pendants. I love that donut. That's beautiful. All right, now what are we on? 15, 20 pieces, 7 millimeter, 6 petal bumpy bead cap. They're killing me with the bumpy spacers, bumpy bead caps, bumpy ropes. And that's just 6 notch or 6 bump bead cap. Okay, let's put those right here. And I got 16, 10-piece stud earring, brass head, stainless steel shank. So let's see. All right. So there's stud earring posts with a loop. There's 5 pair here. See, it's got the ball and then a loop on the bottom of the ball. Let me see something here. Looks like these open or something. Maybe not. Maybe they're soldered. I don't know. There we go. 10 ear posts. Then we have number 17 is 10 pieces, 14.5 by 8 millimeter, butterfly, excuse me, pressed glass beads. Ooh, butterflies. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, look at those. See how thick? They're kind of thick, but not too thick. They're butterflies. Pretty. They're so pretty. They look kind of ombre to me. So pretty. All right. Then we have number 18, 20 pieces, 30 millimeter brass ball head pin. I'm not going to take them out, but love the ball head pins in antique brass. Nice. Okay, number 19, 10 piece strand, 10 millimeter crystal coin beads, slate peacock. Those flashy. So it's a coin. It's got a little flat spot in the center, and then like facets all around it, and like a star or a flower pattern. Now those have got some sparkle. All right, so there's those. And then number 20 is 7-inch strand natural amethyst, 4 millimeter finely faceted round beads. So we got some 4 millimeter amethyst. Pretty. Tons of gemstones in this box. Love the color choices. Love the antique bronze or antique brass. I really like this month's subscription box. If you don't already receive the bargain bead box, there's going to be a link in the description below. Use the code JewelryArt and you receive, I think it's $2 off the box, but you will receive a discount. And that's all. After I make and design some of these pieces, I'll put up the video. Also, I'm going to link the giveaway that I'm having for a reward to my subscribers and others, new subscribers. So make sure you share to win this month's Eureka Crystal Beads Emerging Spring Collection. So make sure you share with your friends, share with your beader, share on Facebook, do all the things that are listed, watch that video and do all the things that are listed on that video for a chance to win. All right, so everyone, good luck. I'll see you in the next video.